My video guide will help you to remove the browser notifications that are associated with the site mydailynews.com. mydailynews.com. This is the website that displays fake alerts in the form of multiple web push notifications. The website indicates that you need to click on the Allow button to subscribe to the push notifications and continue watching some content. In reality, it's a mistake to click on Allow, because in this case your browser will be hijacked and infected. You may start facing the great portion of advertisements that will be displayed in the right part of the screen. In some cases, you may be forwarded to some other shady websites that may also cause a lot of troubles and infect your system with potentially unwanted apps. So what to do if you have mistakenly clicked on that Allow button? Access the menu, go to Settings, then Security and Privacy, Site Settings. Go down to Permissions, choose Notifications. Pay careful attention to the sites allowed to send notifications. If you find any junk sites here, including this site mydailynews.com, remove it from the list, and also remove other dangerous sites which could be causing similar troubles. Now, to make sure that the system is free of other threats, I strongly recommend scanning with Combo Cleaner Antivirus by going to the website combocleaner.com. Download the software, install the application, and start researching your system to detect and delete all other threats effectively from your computer. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called Anti-Ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.